Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the 8th video of 30 days of Pandas, and we are solving find users with valid emails. Let's read the problem statement. We got a table named users containing 3 columns: user ID, name and mail, where user ID is the primary key. The question is, write a solution to find the users who have a valid email. The condition to be a valid email is that email has a prefix name and a domain, where the prefix name is string that may contain letter, upper or lower, digits. Then we have the underscore, period, and or dash. The prefix must start with a letter. So this is the condition that the name prefix should be something like that. And the domain is @leetcode.com. So the domain also has the condition, as well as the prefix of the domain also have a condition that will be a valid email. Return the result in any order. So let's see. There are some examples. Winston @LeetCode. Now the condition is that may contains upper or lower, so that's not compulsory, but it contains digit, underscore, period, or a dash. So apart from that, it should not contain anything else. Here you can see it contains a hash, which is not legit, and this is legit. This is not legit because gmail.com is not required in here as per the second condition. Same goes with this, and yeah, so this is legit, this is legit, and here you can see this is the output. So let's start creating the output. I'll just copy this and use the valid email df, that'll be good. And now we're talking about user mail, and the condition is firstly I have to specify a square bracket in here, right? So mail should we should apply the regular expression in here, so str.match, and then we'll apply the regular expression. So that's it. So we are starting with capital A to capital Z, small a to small z. Then we need once again the same thing, but the second character could be number, so it could be 0 to 9. It could be an underscore, it could be a period. So period cannot be directly applied, we have to use the escape character, and the same with the hyphen or the dash. So that is it, and we need multiple of them, and then we need the @LeetCode, and then we need .com, once again dot, and then com. I'll end it using $symbol, so that is my regular expression, and I'll return it using this. That's it. So I hope it should not give me any problem. Let's try and run it. Yeah, so it's giving me the correct output. I can submit it now, and here we go. So this is the correct output, and I hope you understand the output. This is the regular expression that I have used. This means that the first character contain capital A to Z and small a to small z. Then the second character should be capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 0 to 9, this dot and this hyphen, and that will be multiple, so that can have multiple number of appearances. And then we'll have @LeetCode, and then we'll have a .com. So that is it, and I hope you understand it. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.